Hello, Nkoza and Nankya friends and families. Do you remember a time when we used to have pen pals in Uganda? When we would write to overseas or abroad friends, and then we'd be waiting for a letter to come in the mail, and sharing about the experiences overseas. Well, we created a new character for the Adventures of Nkoza and Nankya, and her name is Princess Annitandra. She's the best friend of Nkoza and Nankya, and they get to go on adventures together. This book is available on Amazon if you want to buy it and read about the backstory of the three friends. It's also available in our app. And I wanted to introduce you to these three friends, the journey that they take together in the backyard, and actually in this tree house right here. You'll be able to see it in our animated series. There'll be an episode that we are working on that's coming soon to meet these three friends and how they get to meet. So thank you so much for your support, and we can't wait to share with you this amazing journey of how Nkoza and Nankya make their journey back to Uganda, and how they continue writing to their pen pal friend called Princess Annitandra, who lives in the same neighborhood in the diaspora where they meet. And when Nkoza and Nankya move back to Uganda, they start writing letters to her, sharing their story, the languages that they're learning, the new friends that they're making in Uganda, the different cultures that they are learning about their parents and how they grew up as kids. So when you get a chance, do please check it out. It's a beautifully illustrated story, and it has a beautiful story in the back. You'll be introduced to the backstory of how these three friends meet. She's really, really intelligent. She's an adventurer, and she's going to be learning about the different cultures that Nkoza and Nankya encounter in our animated series. So this is Princess Annitandra. Do please spare a minute to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when we post a new video. And also come join us on our Facebook page and learn more about these backstories. I'm going to be doing like a series of short videos just covering the different parts of our Nkoza and Nankya universe. Of course, there's our app that you can download and learn about Ugandan languages. This section right here is free, and I'll do another video that's an in-depth video showing you how to use this part of the app. And we're starting with Luganda, Swahili, and Acholi, and we're working on other languages to come. So if you want us to help you with your children learning Ugandan language, this is an amazing resource that you can use to introduce Ugandan languages to your child. And if you're an adult and you don't know how to speak any Ugandan language, I think this is also going to give you a starting point. Thank you so much for your support, and please continue to share your testimonies if you're using our content. All our books are available on Amazon, and we're looking forward to sharing with you what amazing episodes that we're working on. Thank you to everyone that has supported us. This was our first comic book when we first started out, and it talked about Nankya in the village and the journey back to learning about her culture and village life as a whole. So this particular book, this one is about their journey to the wildlife park, and we actually have a Luganda version coming out, and we want to translate this into all the different Ugandan languages. But it's a beautiful comic book as well that you can read. You can buy this from Amazon as well, and at the end your children get to learn the animal names in the wildlife park in Luganda, in English, and in Swahili. We will be able to create new versions of this with the different languages in Uganda. Thank you so much for your support, and to the entire team, everyone that has supported us, especially Diana Lwanga, Andrea Baguma. Thank you so much, guys, for contributing to the music that goes into this app, and to all our fans on Facebook, on YouTube. Thank you, guys. We couldn't have made it this far without your support. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala. In Uganda we say entasiima ebulaagiwa. So thank you, guys, because it's because of you that we've created this content, and to help your children to learn how to speak and celebrate our native languages in Uganda. Mwebale nnyo bannange, mwebale ddala. This is Solomon Jagwe. I am grateful for your support. May God be with you. And as always, guys, I always tell you, encourage your children to dream big. Dare to dream big. Even you as an adult, don't give up on your dream. This side has a small dream, and you can see how far we've progressed, and we are continuing to dream bigger. We want to create more books, want to update the app, and create new videos, new games, that your kids can play to learn the different languages. We are excited for what lies ahead. And if anyone wants to support us, please reach out to us. And also on our website, there's a link where you can click to donate and to help us add new languages, because this section is free. We want to always keep this section where the languages are taught free to you as a resource to help you with your children so they can learn Ugandan languages on your journey to teaching them Luganda, Swahili, Acholi, all the languages that we are able to add in here. It's going to require resources. It requires money to create all this new content. So please spare a minute to support us and dare to dream big, guys. May God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye for now. And don't forget to pick up this book about Nkoza and Nankya's best friend and pen pal called Princess Annitandra. It's a beautiful book. I'm very proud of the work that we've done and what the team has done. But more importantly, this is for you and for your children. Thank you so much. Mwebale nnyo. Sowl out. See you in the next video. Bye for now.